Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be taking you guys along on my entire master bathroom transformation. And I'm really excited about this because I got to partner up with Floor and Decor. If you've ever been to a Floor and Decor, then you know that feeling of like a kid in a candy store. They have a variety of tiles. So I cannot wait to show you guys the entire room. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start with the before and then take you guys along on the important part of this project. So we've been living here for over 10 years now, so it was time to update this bathroom, and this is what it looks like before. As soon as you walk in, there's a door to the right hand side. We're getting rid of the space. We have a huge linen closet in our kids' bathroom so that we can extend our vanity. This is a smaller vanity. And then there's this medicine cabinet here that we don't use. We're getting rid of that. So 8 years ago, I painted this bathroom this peanut butter color. I really used to love this color, so we are getting rid of this color. You can see I have blue in the space. And also what we want to do is to get rid of the tub because it is huge. Change the tiles. And then also there's a wall that's between the shower and the tub. I want to take that out so that the space can feel a little bigger and we can have a frameless glass around the shower. And I'm also going to change the exhaust fan and the toilet. So we have a lot to do here. So we're also going to be changing out the mirror and adding sconces on the side. So the first step for me was to go into Floor and Decor to try to figure out what tiles I want to use for this renovation. And when I walked into the store, I was just so excited because they had so much variety of tiles, and I definitely felt like a kid in a candy store, and I was instantly drawn to the Bianca tiles. I knew that I wanted porcelain tiles, and I also wanted one that was big that would give me less grout lines, so I got a 24 by 24. I was also inspired by the different setups that they had in the store. And I made use of the inspiration card to help me bring my vision to life. I originally wanted to go with a gold and white tile, but I decided to go with something that will be a little bit more neutral to work if I do decide to change my mind in the future. So here are some of the tiles that I found. I wanted to create an accent wall in the shower, so they had a whole lot of variety of backsplash that I could use for that. So today is Demolition Day, and I have my friend and contractor Oscar that was helping me with this project, and he did an amazing job working with me to complete this project. Alright, so for the main tiles, we decided to go with the Bianca 24 by 24, and then for the accent tile in the shower, we went with the Celine porcelain mosaic tiles, and we also did a different tiles on the shower floor, which I will show you guys in a little bit. For the shower and the tub area, we decided to add a niche just to store our bath products, and I really love the tiles. We also added this gold trim around the niche. I got the idea when I went into Floor and Decor. What really took the longest for delivery was the glass for the shower, guys. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a tour of the completed space. So here's my new master bathroom. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start by showing you guys the tiles. All the tiles came from Floor and Decor, the wall tiles, the accent tiles, and the shower floor tiles. They all came from Floor and Decor, and I am so in love with this. It shows you that you can mix 3 tiles and still have a cohesive space. I love this. Like, I absolutely love the combination of all 3 tiles. So for the shower drain, we decided to go with the linear drainage system. It really gives it a modern look. This has to be my favorite spot. So I decided to add a few wood pieces to the space because I wanted that luxurious look, but I also wanted that spa-like feel, and I think bringing in that wood element adds that spa feel to the space. Alright, so moving on to the right hand side is where we have the freestanding tub. So we decided to get rid of that huge tub, and I absolutely love this freestanding tub. It has a very modern look to the space, and it's actually quite big, so it can definitely fit an adult. And for the top filler, we decided to go with this black and gold one here. We are mixing metal in here, so we're mixing gold and black. I love mixing metal, and I feel like it really adds a balance to the space when you mix different metals together. So black and gold are my colors in the space, and it really gives a good contrast over the white. So beside the tub, I added this freestanding towel holder because we didn't have any area where we can hang the towels. So that definitely serves a good purpose. So over the tub, we decided to add this chandelier that's from Kichler Lighting. I love this. This is definitely a showstopper, and it really makes this room pop. And then right beside the tub is where we have our vanity. So we decided to get a larger vanity. The one that we had here before was a 60. So this is a 73. And I love this color. It is called Twilight Gray. We didn't want to do the white. Hubby said no white vanity. And the countertop came with the vanity, and I love it. So we also added these mirrors here. They are also from Kichler Lighting, and it's a one-touch turn on, and they are so gorgeous. I love it. And between the mirrors, we added these consoles that I got from Wayfair. I love that it has the gold and the black, which is the metals that I decided to go with in the space. And whether it's turned off or turned on, it is gorgeous. It has a beautiful glow to it when the light is turned on. And on the vanity, I decided to add this vase that I got from Inspire Me Home Decor, and the flowers are from TJ Maxx. And I also added a tray and a few essentials. So to maximize the little space that's left between the vanity and the wall, we decided to add this shelf here to store a few essentials. Our main linen closet is in the other bathroom. So on the other side of the shower is where we have the toilet, and then we also added this towel warmer and towel holder, and this is again bringing in the black into the space. Above the toilet, we added these two wood shelves just to have additional storage, again bringing in that wood element. I added this wall art from Amazon and two storage ottoman for additional storage in the room. And also to maximize the space behind the doors, we added two hooks for our robes. Another update that we did in here was to change the exhaust fan. We changed it to this Bluetooth one that we got. It does have night light. I love this. So you guys, let me know what you think about this renovation down in the comment section. Guys, I love the way this turned out. After 10 years, we get to renovate our master bathroom, and I am in love with everything. I love the tiles. I love everything and how it came together. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. So I'll be on Amazon Live soon to answer any questions that you guys may have about this bathroom. Link will be in the description. Just hit that link and hit the follow button so you're notified when I do go live. Thank you so much for watching, and I want to thank Floor and Decor for collaborating with me on this video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.